Guys, welcome back to my channel. As I mentioned earlier, I'll be heading to the coastal road axis, check on what's work progress of a sand filling for a perimeter fence that we intend to, project. So I'm here right now, and I've seen that our workers have done pretty well, been able to cover about 5 meters, yeah, from this point to that point, be able to cover about 5 meters in length, and the depth of this water is about 900, yeah, millimeters deep. That's the depth. That's how deep it is, about a meter deep. So they've been filling all of this. So they've covered pretty sizable area today. Well done, guys. So this is what you've been able to achieve. So I'm here right now, inspecting and to see what they've done so far, what job done so far. So this is the perimeter. You can see we're getting closer to. If you watch my other videos, you can see that at some point I was at the other end, which is that point, down there. But right now we're getting closer to the other peg. Yeah. So in a couple of days, let's see, by tomorrow or next, we should be at that point. Then we take it to that other point where the other peg is. And so what we intend to do is this. After this, we'll have another set of guys do the same thing. We keep filling all the way from that point. And we'll take it from that point down this way to hit with that peg there. So as we're doing that, we're going to have these two sets of people work concurrently. So we have this rope going and the other one going as well. So once we're done with this, we'll bring in our machine. Our compactors will compact this soil, sand, so we can have a proper, stable floor that we can now run our raft on. So what we'll do is we're going to take an L shape. Yeah, we'll have our raft designed in an L shape form, so we can actually manage time because of the rains. In a couple of weeks, we should be expecting plenty of rains coming by then. So we want to be fast and efficient. So that's what we intend to do. We're going to do just that to make sure the rains don't get us. Yeah. So this is where we are right now, guys. Welcome once again to my channel. Welcome, guys. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel, guys. Please make your comments. Make your comments. I'll really appreciate that. Please make your comments. Okay. So this is where we are. We've stopped working for today, and this is the other side of. And this is the other side where we're filling. I asked them to stop filling on this part. Yeah, because of the alignment, but now they've corrected the alignment. So what we'll do is we're going to proceed with this filling again towards this side. We're going to fill up this area so we can have our peg placed in the center. So with that now, when we want to run our rafts, we can easily construct our rafts here. That's the other side of the wall that I just mentioned. Yeah, that's where we're going to fill. We'll fill all the way down to that end. Okay, we'll fill all of that, and once we do that, we compact every part of that. Compact every part of this. Yeah. Welcome, guy. Oh, I just lost you. You came and you disappeared. Welcome. Welcome. My channel basically is for mobility, infrastructure, energy, and construction. Yeah, so I'm in the field of construction, and presently I'm in one of those swampy areas in Lagos, Lekki to be precise, very close to the coastal road. That is where I am right now, and this area is a tough terrain to construct any structure. And what we basically use most times here for construction is basically we use our rafts for construction, or sometimes we pile, We pile until we get to the base where we hit the rock. But that's pretty expensive to do. It's really, really expensive. So most times we run with the rafts where we, excuse me, we fill the sand, we excavate, we remove all of the debris, all of the dead woods. We remove every one of it. Then we fill up with sand proper and we leave it to settle in. Maybe sometimes we keep it for 1 year. It's always advisable to keep for like 2-3 years. That way, we have 3 different seasons. So we have a much more stable soil to build our foundation on. Yeah. So this is where we are right now. I'm heading towards the coastal road. This was exactly where the old journey started from. As you can see, it was a bit taxing because there was no road there. We created this road down to that point that you can see the sand and the peg at that end. It was really, really, really tough, but we're getting there. We are getting there. So let me take you guys back again to the coastal road. Let me show you how much work is going on over there. These guys are working 24/7 along these parts of the road. These guys are doing a good job. They're doing a very good job. Yeah. They're doing a very, very good job. Yeah, they're doing a very good job. I bet you this place looks like one hell of a dungeon, yeah? Like one hell of a forest. But behind all of these things you're looking at, the structures all the way down. It's just this area. And so, but give it another 3-5 years, believe me, this place will be a sellout. It's going to be a sellout. All the land here will be sold out completely. All of everything here. Oh, that's one of the excavator we're going to use to, get some more sand that we need to do our job. Okay. So that's what we're going to do. So that's what, okay. That's one of our excavators coming in. It's going to pile some sand for us. This is what we're going to use to do our job, our work. Okay. This water was created. It's an artificial canal that was created for this purpose, for the purpose of the coastal road. So water can actually funnel from that point inward down to the lagoon. The lagoon is quite far from here. So guys, this is where we are. Well done, well done. Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining our channel. Thank you for joining my channel. We need more people. As you step into my room, step into my channel, please press the like button, make a comment, ask any question you want to ask about this whole project. I'll be glad to respond to any question you ask. I'll be so glad to respond to any question you ask. Thank you, thank you. I'm heading towards the coastal road. It's ahead of us. I'm walking towards there. So a few minutes time from now, I'll be standing on the concrete road. It's a concrete paved road. It's one of a kind. Here in Africa, though this kind of road is found in China, yeah, or in Nigeria, this is a new form of construction, and this is what exactly we're doing. So, a couple of days ago, to my understanding, some of the poles, the street light poles, were removed, so they can have access to the ground for them to, for this excavation that is taking place. So they removed all of the street lights that you can see here, and now these guys, with surveyors, they came in and they took their depths and they measured, and here they are excavating to place rings into the ground. The same was done yesterday. All of this was excavated yesterday, and today we have these gigantic rings being placed inside this tunnel. This is the tunnel that they've created. Tunnel is definitely going to be attached to this one, as you see here, at that point there. Yeah, you see, where they're moving the rings, they're moving them to places where they'll need them, where they'll be needed. Okay, so basically that's what's going on right now. So this back to our own site. This is where we are right now. On our own site, this is where we are. We're still moving our sand here down the stream. That is the artificial canal that was produced by iTech. Okay, this is where we are right now. This is where we are right now. Work is ongoing. That's good. Your work is really ongoing, and see how it goes. Báwo? Ṣé apá? Iṣẹ́ báwo ni iṣẹ́ ń lọ? So, so basically, we are on this. We're pushing all of this. You can see trucks moving here and there, back and forth. Okay. The work is really moving. The work is really going on. It's really ongoing. I believe this section will be met in a short while. So for us, yeah, we're trying to take possession of our land. We're expecting more sand to come in today and so tomorrow, so we can move them in. So we continue with our perimeter fencing. So guys, let me be quiet for a bit and allow you guys watch a bit of what's going on around this section of the coastal road. This is section 25 of the coastal road axis here in Lekki. Yeah, it's here as a local government area. Sorry about that. Thank you. Is this not Y? Is this not XY? Abi, are you not XY? A Z. Okay. Forever and everything. Okay. What's the depth? 1.6. 1.6. Okay. Okay. What are you going to have here? Same rings. You're bringing the same rings here. Okay. What about the real system for the future? They meant this part. I think, for what I learned, you guys left it for what's it called, for the real now. Okay, start from kilometer 8. The real start from kilometer 8 all the way down. Okay. So this is part of it where the train will pass through. Okay. Okay. I see your base. Your base is so thick. I mean, your base, the thickness of your base. Mm, that's like 600 now, 600. It varies some areas. Ẹ̀kọ́ ó máa ba àwọn ilẹ̀ yẹn jẹ́. Ẹ nà ọkọ̀ ọ̀gbọ́n. Sí ẹ sábẹ́ ẹ̀, àwọn kéékèèké yẹn tó máa ń lọ, ó máa lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. So what do you guys want to? What do you guys want to bury here? Oh, okay, the pipes. Okay, all the pipes there. What's that? What's the diameter of that? 900. Is that 900? It's not more than 900. I'm looking at. Oh, sure, we could do 900 low. Eh? Eh? Oh, now, yeah, the one on top is here. It's one, yeah, that one is big. I can tell. Yeah. Abacha. Kusha is it? Yeah. So, guys, so you can, as you heard from one of the surveyors, they have pipe of 900 to be buried into that ground. Yeah. On this axis where we're going to have the railway system that will run from kilometer 8 all the way down to Cross River State, in Calabar and Cross River State. Not really Calabar, but in Cross River State. So this is a 1.2 meter ring, yeah, and what's the lady there is a 900 ring. So this is what it is. This is the Calabar Coastal Road construction ongoing, yeah. And we have the operators working, and also surveyors. They work here 24 hours a day. They work here 24 hours a day. They work here 24 hours a day. Welcome to Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Welcome, guys. Welcome to Lagos. Welcome once again, guys, to my channel. Welcome once again to my channel. Let me take you guys further, to that other side where we have the other excavator working. Yeah. Believe me, this project is going to, they are not slowing down, they are not stopping. It's a continuous thing. It's a 24 hours project. At different intersections, you have them working day and night. This is one of the lights. Once it gets dark, work continues. Yeah, work continues. Work continues. There's no stopping. There's no stopping at all. It's a continuous thing. Work continues. They've laid the pipes well placed. They're well placed. As you can see, what they just did basically is they connect all these pipes on this base and they fix them together. This way we have a full non-connecting pipe that is to channel all the water around this vicinity and into that artificial, that newly designed and canal that they just produced ahead of us. Yeah. So keep watching. Keep watching. Let me just allow you guys take your time and enjoy what's going on in Nigeria. Yeah. At the moment, we don't have any drone to give you that aerial view of what is going on, but we could manage what we have right now. We could manage what we have right now. Let's manage what we have right now. Let's get more information and let's see what's going on together. Yeah, this is the canal that was designed. It was never here before, but they designed it for the purpose of channeling all this water from that point down to that point all the way down here. It funnels into this canal that the government opened up. So, guys, I'll be signing out very soon. Thank you once again for being part of my channel for today. I'll sign out and I'll see you tomorrow time. Bye for now.